Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am teaching you rainbow drip nail art design step by step guide. Fulfill your artistic side and try this art inspired manicure that looks like paint dripping down a canvas. How to make the rainbow drip nail art design? You should follow these steps. Step number 1 is start by painting your nails with a white nail polish. Style number 2, using a nail art brush and a green nail polish. Create a drip along your nails. There's no wrong way to create a drip or recreate this design, so just have fun with it. Step number 3, using a nail art brush and a blue nail polish. Create another drip along your nails. Step number 4, using the same tool and nail polish and a few spots of color below the drip shape to add a splatter effect. Style number 5, repeat step 2 and 3 and 4 for the remaining colors: pink, orange, yellow and purple. Step number 6, remove all the extra nail polish if landed on your skin. Step number 7 and last step is apply a top coat to your nails to seal in the design. Here you go, your beautiful rainbow drip nail art design is ready. If you like my video and design, please subscribe my channel and hit the like button. If you have any query about this design, please let me know about that. Thank you very much for watching my video and appreciate me for your love by the like button. I hope you all are enjoying my video. Thank you very much. Bye. Take care.